This idiot decided to have his tires at 20 psi, and I'm like, these are really squishy. Are you sure they're not flat? And they're like, no, this is probably like 45. No, I think you made 25. This thing, this stupid pump is a high volume pump, but it's an emergency pump. Not really. Yeah, you can see the pressure slowly going up.
So we're here at the old, what looks to be the old extension of the Sippo Valley Trail. And it goes back this way, so we're going to try
so
to...
it goes back that way to Dalton, and yeah. So I assume this used to go all the way through, but then they just closed it down.
Rerouted it, or maybe that was an old... We'll check into that sometime. So explore an old trail. There you go. Nathan finally met a burrito that's his size.
Just had a ride 9.3 miles on a bike trail and come to Mexico in a restaurant called Los Tios in Dalton, Ohio, and get the double XL burrito.
Currently on the Sippo Valley Creek bike trail going from Massillon to Dalton, and I'm riding in the remnants of Hurricane Helene. As you can see, I got the poncho on. Very, very wet. And we rode all the way to Dalton. Went to a little restaurant off US 30 called Los Tios or El Tios. And I got me a massive Mexican burrito with chicken, beans, and rice. Very good stuff. Because it was a 10-mile ride there, but we also have a 10-mile ride back, so that makes it pretty difficult. But you just gotta ride in the rain every once in a while. I've got some new brake pads on my bike. And of course, on a major bike trail, you're not really using your brake pads all that much. But might as well ride your bike in the hurricane, why not? Car's been there a while.